Let me ask you, do you have your own email address online? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you're in luck. Because I'm about to show you how you can make a lot of money online using your own email address. And the best part is, this can be done 100% on complete autopilot. So tell me, how would you like to see $5,000 in your PayPal account or bank account all the way up to $10,000 just like this every single month? Now, I don't know about you, but that would be pretty amazing, right? Well, on this YouTube video today, I'm going to show you how a complete beginner can do this method absolutely for free with no money at all. Plus, it doesn't matter where you are around the world. You can apply this to make money online every single day. So make sure you watch this entire video, as I will have a huge bonus for you to make even more money online. What you can do when you click onto this and you scroll down here, you can click onto add another account. Once you click onto add another account, all you need to do is come down here and click onto create an account, and then over here select for myself. Once you select that, you come over here, you enter in your first name, your surname, then you need to put in whatever you want to call this email account. And I want you to do this at the end of this video, because you're going to have to come up with a business type name. You come over here, you enter in your password, you confirm that password, and you click onto next. This is going to then set up a brand new Gmail account for you that you can use to make money online with. From there, what you want to do is you want to come over to this site over here called chrome.google.com, and you want to install from the Chrome web store the Facebook Pixel Helper. This is step 2 in this method. The Facebook Pixel Helper is this little icon over here, okay? And this little device can make you a ton of money. So what you need to do is you need to come over here and you need to type in Facebook Pixel. Once you type in Facebook Pixel, okay, you want to click onto it over here. And as you can see, I have it installed. So for me, it's not going to say add to Chrome. It's going to say rate it. For you, you're going to be able to see that it's going to say add to Chrome. And all you need to do is click onto add to Chrome, and you're going to be able to see this little Facebook Pixel Helper. What this little Facebook Pixel Helper does is it tracks anybody that lands on a particular website, which then you can use to retarget to make money online. So from here, what you want to do, guys, is you want to come back over to Google, and what you want to do is you want to find businesses that don't have this Facebook Pixel Helper. Think about it this way: at the moment, we are in a pandemic and nobody is visiting shops out there. So using this strategy with websites right now has never been a better time to do this, and people will start to listen because nobody is coming through the doors. And if you can show them how to 10x their income, they're going to listen to you. So from here, for example, let's say we wanted to target dentists as an example. What you will do is you'd come over here, you'd type in dentist, and when you type in dentist, you scroll down and you quite simply click onto more places over here, because what we want to do is we want to take a look at some websites to see if they're using the Facebook Pixel Helper. Then I'm going to show you how you can contact these people, how you're going to make money online with this strategy, how you're going to set this up. It is so simple. Plus, I want to show you how to automate the entire process. Okay, so if you've never done this before, if you're absolutely new to this, don't worry. There is a solution for the complete beginner. So if we come over here, guys, let's take a look at this. Let's open up this ABC Dental Surgery over here. If we click onto that, what's going to happen, we're going to come over here, it's going to show us the website. You click onto the website over here, and as you can see automatically up here, if you take a look at this, you can see here that the Facebook Pixel Helper is staying grey. What that means is that these people are not running the Facebook Pixel Helper on their website, so they're potentially missing out on a ton of money. Okay, guys, when you come down here, what I want to do is I want to find somebody that is running the Facebook Pixel Helper. So if we come over here, let me just go back. So what we want to do, if we come over here, take a look at this. If we click onto this dentist over here and we go to their website and you open up their website, you can automatically see that this website over here has 2 Facebook pixels running on it, which means that this site can now retarget anybody that lands onto this website. I could potentially now on my Facebook page start to receive different ads from this particular website because their Facebook Pixel Helper has picked up that I have been on this site and I have been cooking. It's an amazing way to make money online, guys. But the best part about this is you can do this from anywhere in the world. Let me show you something. If I come over here and I type in dentist in Los Angeles and we come over here, you can see here that there's automatically a few ads over here. If we open up this one over here, if we go to their website, you're going to see that you can target people from anywhere in the world. If they have a Facebook Pixel running like they do over here, which is fantastic, then obviously you can move on to the next website. And you can do this in Canada, you can do this in Australia, you can do this in New Zealand, you can do it in countries like India and Pakistan, and any country out there in the world, guys. You can basically target this. So from here, what do you do? How do you make money online with this now that we have a few websites that we can target? So we know over here that this particular site over here did not have a Facebook Pixel Helper. So if we come over here and we open up this website over here, what we're going to do is we're going to get their email address. And once we get their email address, all you need to do is go on to contact over here. Every single one of these sites is going to have an email address. So we scroll down here, we copy this email over here. Now this dentist over here, guys, has a lot of practices. If you scroll down, they got practices all over the country, okay? So this can really help them out. What you want to do from there is you want to go to the Gmail account that you've just set up and quite simply send them an email. Now I'm going to show you how to automate this in a second, so keep watching. But basically what you want to do is you want to come over here, you want to type that email in here, you want to come in here and have a title, something like how to increase your business sales by 10 times, something along those lines, okay? Then you want to introduce yourself, tell them who you are, tell them that you run a social media marketing agency and that you help businesses with the current pandemic, just like I have over here. And then what you do is you tell them that you are here to help them increase their sales and show them how to get people to buy their products. Now, this can work in any niche. After they visited their site, how can you retarget them? This is basically what you're telling them that you and your team can do. And then what you do is you say to them, this can all be set up in less than 1 day. I can do all this for you. I can set up the retargeting and I can get this started for you pretty much straight away. Then you can tell them that at the moment, as businesses are struggling, you are offering a 50% discount on your services. Now, it's up to you what you want to charge, guys. You can set this up in many different ways. You can charge a one-off fee of $100 to $200. You can charge a monthly fee of $300 to $500. It's up to you how you want to do this, but I want to show you firstly how you can automate this entire process and how you can set up this Facebook Pixel if you don't know how to do this and set up the ads. Let me introduce you to this site over here. This over here is called rebump.cc. This is a fantastic site that you can use that's going to automate your entire email process. What that means is you can come over here and you can set up 5 emails that are going to get sent out periodically to these customers. So you set this up once. For example, this here is the first email that you sent out, which can be this email over here. Then the second email over here, you can send out another email saying, hey, not sure if you saw my first email, just wanted to remind you this is what we do, this is what we can give you, this is how much more money you can make. Then you send out a second bump, which is your third email. Again, another friendly reminder. Maybe then you can offer them the 50% discount, show them how much you're going to charge. Then you can send them a third and fourth and fifth email. And as you can see, that when you send multiple emails, it keeps pushing your email to the top of their inbox. So if they miss the first email, they may see the second or third email or the fourth or fifth email. This can be used absolutely for free for the first 30 days, and this is compatible with your Gmail account. Now take a look at this, guys. You're probably thinking that this is expensive. It's actually not. Even after the 30 days get removed, guys, this can cost you from $5 a month. And if you're making $100 to $200 to $300 for 5, 6, 7, 8 clients, $5 a month, even $12 a month, is absolutely nothing for this strategy, guys. I want you to understand how powerful this is because businesses don't have anybody walking in through the doors at the moment. So I would highly recommend to come over to this site, Rebump, sign up to this. It's absolutely free and you can trial this for the first 30 days. Now from here, you're probably thinking, how am I going to set up this Facebook pixel? How am I going to set up this ad? Well, the first way that you can do this quite simply is come over to YouTube, type in how to set up a Facebook pixel and run ads. Scroll down, guys. There are a number of videos. This is super simple to set up, guys. It's actually not that technical at all. And you scroll down, you can watch a few videos and you can learn how to do this. You can even test it on your own website. You can test it on your own Facebook. See how you can get all this set up. It's actually very easy. Watch all these different videos, educate yourself, and then you can do this absolutely for free for your customers and you can charge them some really good money. The second option that you have if you don't want to do this or you can't get your head around it is you can quite simply come over to a site like Fiverr.com and type in the Facebook Pixel Helper. From here, what you want to do is you're going to find a whole heap of different people, professionals that do this, that have done this hundreds of times and they don't charge a lot of money. Take a look at this person over here. I will set up Facebook Pixel Catalog, events, custom audiences, dynamic ads, etc. If you click onto this over here, guys, you can see that for the standard offer over here, he's charging about $87. You can charge these people anything up to $300 to $500 to have all this set up because they don't know about Fiverr and how to get all this set up. Now, what I would recommend that you do is come over here and contact this seller. What you want to say to him is, if I give you a lot of business, can you drop this price from $87 to $57? I can give you a lot of business, but I want you to work with me. And then you can start up a relationship with them. They want the work, you've got the work, and if you don't want to do this, you can automate this and get them to set up everything for you so that you can continue to make money online. And when you have these automated emails running out for you guys, this can be super passive and you can continue to make a lot of money online. All you need to do is come over to these different sites from anywhere in the world, guys. Now this can work with dentists and lawyers and doctors and restaurants and any service-based website. Basically anybody that has a website that offers a service for money, you can send this email out to them and you can make money online with this strategy. All you need to do is come over here, get their email addresses, come over to your Gmail and start sending out these emails, and I guarantee you will start to get people email you back because at the moment everyone is looking to make money and a lot of these people need their businesses to continue so their businesses doesn't get shut down. And if you can drive them more customers, you can start to charge even more money. A simple strategy that's going to allow you to make some really good money online. But don't go anywhere. I've got another fantastic video over here that you can watch right now of another strategy that's going to allow you to make even more money. Thank you so much for watching, guys.